Presenting the Farmpeeps Beehive. This is a new product that PoserWorld Printables is putting out, and just want to show you that how it can be produced as a play set for bees. It includes these bees that are in 5 different poses actually, and they're all color printed here, and we include of course the 3M, so you can use the existing colors, or you can see this is the honey drip for the PoserWorld Beehive, and it fits inside here, runs along the center line and pops in from the bottom. That's if you want to use it as a play set. For a live beehive, obviously we recommend just using the larger size. This is printed 200%. This one here is printed 100%, and this is about a 75% down here. When using it as a live one, I do recommend there's a bottom plug that you can seal up the bottom hole. This center line hole is kept in place so that the bees can come in from the front and then travel and get to the level that they want to be at. The queen will probably be tucked up here in the top.